friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Birdo from Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose over to the left. We're going to draw in the letter C here. We're going to make this nice and big. Let's come further over to the side now. We're going to curve this around and down. And then stepping in on this line slightly, we're just going to curve this back around, tucking that in. Now we're just going to color in this open space black here. Now let's frame in the top of the eyes here. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this around, tucking that over and in. And then starting back in the middle, again, we're going to curve this around, and we're going to end this at the same height as the line for the nose on the top. Now from here in the middle, where it comes down, we're just going to tuck this line around, curving that over and up. Now from that edge, we're just going to round that out, curving that down and in towards that center line. And then we'll continue to do that over on the left, tucking that out. Let's add in the eyelashes here now. So on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved line, stepping up, drawing in the second one, and then one more on the very top. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. So from where this line starts, curving this line out, we'll do this 3 times. Let's close off the bottom of the eye here. So from the nose, stepping out slightly, we're just going to round that out, tucking that in. Now let's draw in the pupil. So we'll continue to arch this around and down on the left-hand side. And then coming over on the right, we're just going to draw in a nice big oval. Let's add in the highlight in our eye now. So on the top corner, we're just going to draw in a circle. And then moving underneath in the middle, we're just going to draw in an oval for that pupil. Now let's color that in black. Now let's come up for the bow. So above this eye here, we're just going to draw in an arch line. To the right of this, from that corner, we're going to curve this over, around, and we're going to tuck that in. Now from this corner, we're going to curve this back, around, and through, connecting that together. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. Let's come up on the left-hand side. So on top of this arch line here, we're going to round this out, tucking that over and back down towards our eye. Let's come down drawing in the hand now. So we're going to come down here and we're going to draw in a circle. This is going to be for the ring. Now beside this on the left, we're just going to curve this over and across. From that point, we're going to tuck that back down. And then from the side here, we're just going to arch this line around, tucking that in. We're going to line this up at the same height, coming across, curving that over and through towards that circle. Now in the middle, stepping over, we're going to curve that out and back down for the second finger. And then moving up one last time to finish that off. Let's add in the details for the arms. We're just going to curve this line down. And then from the corner of the hand here, we're just going to arch this around, tucking that over and in behind that line. Let's close off the cheek behind this. So from that corner, we're just going to curve this around and through to the bow, going underneath, finishing that off on the side. Let's draw in an arch line to the right. And then we'll come up, adding in a small circle, for the back portion here, underneath the arm. We're going to curve this around and out for the tail. We're going to draw in a triangle shape here. So from the top, we're going to bring this out, rounding that out, tucking that down. In the middle, drawing in another triangle. And then we'll draw one last one behind this. Now from the end of the tail, tucking this over, we're going to curve that in. Let's draw on the leg. Lining this up at the same height, leaving a gap, rounding out the knee, curving that up. Again, lining this up at the same height, leaving a gap, curving that through. For the foot here, from that edge, we're just going to connect those lines, curving this around, over, and in. In the middle, curving this around, tucking that back through. Replicate that again once more. We'll just connect that to that line on the top. Now we're going to draw in a curved line in each open space here. And then moving in behind, we're just going to curve this line back up, drawing in the underbelly there. Let's draw on the stomach. So from where this curves here, we're going to curve this around and up for the stomach. For the detail on the inside, just curving this around towards the arm. And then underneath that arm, continuing to curve that into the knee. For the left arm here, stepping over, we're going to curve this around and up. And then moving in, just adding in a small detailed line, curving that across. For the left knee, we're going to line this up at the same height on the torso here, curving that through. Now for the foot, stepping out, we're going to bring this line over, tucking that around and back in. In the center, let's replicate that. And now once more on the very top. Again, for the toes, like we did on the side, just curving this line down as we move all the way through. And that is it. That's how you draw Birdo from Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.